Are you wondering what the best robot vacuums are for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. Hey guys, it's 7 Top Rated, and in today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best robot vacuums on the market. This list was made based on our personal views, and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Eufy RoboVac 11S. The self-cleaning home has been a dream ever since we realized it might be possible, and for most people, it has remained a dream. Enter the Eufy RoboVac 11S. This budget robot, it's among the most affordable models available. From a design viewpoint, the RoboVac has a sleek and simple tempered glass upper deck with a plastic-styled brushed aluminum finish, which is only disrupted by a chrome power button and the Eufy logo. It weighs less than 5 pounds and less than 3 inches thin with a choice of colors, black or white. As for performance, its slim design is perfect for moving under sofas, bed frames, or other low pieces of furniture in your home. With large wheels that will roll over carpets and climb over door ledges to get to the mess. Plus, it uses drop sensing technology to avoid falling down stairs and off ledges, which is a great feature. In addition, the RoboVac has multiple cleaning modes and preset vacuuming times to ensure an effortless, thorough clean. What's great here is that the 11S can be scheduled to clean your floors whether you're at home or not. One unique cleaning feature is Boost IQ, which automatically increases suction power when needed, which is a useful feature when the RoboVac moves from hard surfaces to the carpet, where extra suction is required, which is ideally suited for the multi-level home. Moving on, a larger 0.6-liter dustbin allows the RoboVac to pick up more dirt and dust to take full advantage of 100 minutes of continuous cleaning, without the need for emptying in between. And we also like that it then automatically returns to the charging base when power is low. This ensures it's always charged and ready to go. Furthermore, the triple filter system combines a dual-layer filter and one high-performance filter to achieve a clean, fresh home. Overall, there are smarter robot vacuums with phone apps and voice control capabilities, but ultimately, it's the cleaning that counts. And in that regard, the Eufy RoboVac 11S is a budget vacuum that will hold its own with the best of them, and one we would recommend. At number 4 is the iRobot Roomba 960. The iRobot Roomba 960 is an excellent Roomba for the homeowner on a budget. It has all the necessary features to perform as a great robotic cleaner, enabling you to enjoy a cleaner home without having to make any extra effort. Design-wise, the 960 robot vacuum is circular, with 2 rotating brushes and 1 spinning side brush, as well as a removable dustbin with a large clean button in the middle for starting and stopping cycles with ease. It measures 13.8 by 3.6 inches and weighs 8.5 pounds. As for performance, the 960 uses iAdapt 2.0 navigation technology, which enables the robot to map its surroundings to clean an entire level of your home, around objects, and under furniture. It has a 3-stage cleaning system and power lifting suction that delivers 5 times the air power for improved pickup performance. Another great feature is the dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. Furthermore, it has an adjustable height level with a fantastic sensor range. The iRobot can automatically adjust its height in order to match your floor type and move under furniture. You can clean and schedule anytime from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. You can customize cleaning, view clean map reports, and access support all from your smartphone. Additionally, the Roomba 960 keeps track of where home is at all times, so if it needs to return to charge before finishing cleaning, it can automatically resume and go back to where its last known location was, which is a feature we really liked. The dustbin will hold around 2 cups, or about half a liter of the material before it needs to be emptied. It's worth noting that the Roomba 960 is ideally suited for homes with pets. With a high-efficiency filter which captures 99% of allergens, pollen, and dust as small as 10 microns, which can be beneficial to allergy sufferers. Overall, the Roomba 960 does an excellent job of navigating around your home and has an impressive set of smart features. For those looking for top-tier robot vacuum performance, this is an excellent choice. At number 3 is the Neato BotVac D7 Robot Vacuum. If you've been doing your research into buying a top robot vacuum cleaner, then you have no doubt come across Neato's range, the flagship of which, the BotVac D7 Connected, which is the model that we are reviewing today. The D-shaped design allows for a front brush design with a 27cm brush up front. This main brush teams up with a smaller spinning edge brush that rotates at 90 degrees to the main brush, helping to kick up dust and grime that might be hiding in cracks and crevices. In terms of aesthetics, the chrome and black plastic low-profile design look plenty cool enough to take a place in your stylish smart home, with a 10cm high profile only increased in one part by the little circular turret that sits on top. On to the performance, the BotVac D7 uses a laser to find its way around your home. Essentially, lasers in the turret on top divide the room up into 15 by 15-inch segments and tackle the room based on what the D7 determines to be the most efficient path. However, it's the My Floor Plan mode that really sets the D7 apart from its rivals. The BotVac will learn the layout of the rooms, where the walls and furniture are, if there are stairs, and so on. You're then presented a plan of the layout from within the app. But it's the no-go lines that make the D7 a winner. With the app, you can draw virtual lines around any area within a learned layout. Think troublesome chair legs, areas where wires are on the floor, pet bowl, you get the idea. Furthermore, from the app you can set schedules and manually control the D7, adjust no-go lines, view clean history, and also adjust the robot settings. The app also lets you sync up with Alexa, Google Assistant, so it's really smart. As for the battery life, you'll get up to 2 hours of continuous cleaning before it has to return to the charging station. We must mention that with the new Quick Boost charging feature, it will analyze how much extra power it needs to complete its clean, and return to the charging station and charge just enough time to finish the job. To conclude, the Neato BotVac D7 cleaning performance is great. The app is easy to use and the battery life is excellent. Is it one of the best robot vacuums available right now? Quite possibly, and we think you won't be disappointed. At number 2 is the Ecovacs D-Bot N79S. The Ecovacs D-Bot N79S provides a versatile cleaning solution. With its smart motion system and multiple cleaning modes, N79S efficiently cleans your floor and has an appropriate cleaning mode for every job. With its low-profile design, the N79S can easily clean dirt from under furniture and hard-to-reach places, and it's both non-intrusive and has a low noise level, leaving a quiet space for your family and activities. As for performance, the Ecovacs has a max mode, which increases suction power by up to 2 times, and works on both hard floors and carpet. With its V-shaped main brush, the vacuum can achieve more lifting of dirt and dust, especially on carpets. In a way, it can deliver a deeper clean. Moreover, the D-Bot N79S uses a map in conjunction with anti-collision sensors and soft cushion bumpers to avoid obstacles around your home, which protects your furniture. The remote control gives pretty much all the options you want, including access to all of the cleaning modes and scheduling by using the LCD screen, with auto mode for general cleaning, single room mode to remove dirt in one room, edge mode for cleaning specific edges, and spot cleaning for when intensive spot cleanings is required. It's worth mentioning that we found it simpler to hook up the robot to Wi-Fi using the smartphone app to carry out these tasks. Furthermore, once connected via Wi-Fi, the Ecovacs N79S will work with both the leading voice assistants, and with Amazon Alexa, you can start or stop a clean or ask the robot to return to its dock. The 300ml dust bin pulls out of the back and hinges open, so that you can empty it into your main bin. It's relatively simple to do so, and you can run the bin under the tap to clean it out from time to time. As for battery life in standard mode, the vacuum cleaner managed to run for just short of 90 minutes before automatically returning to the charging dock by itself, ready to be used next time. Overall, the Ecovacs D-Bot N79S does a great job. With a quality app and support for the 2 biggest voice assistants, you have a budget vacuum cleaner that punches above its weight. And we think this should definitely be on your shortlist. At number 1 is the iRobot Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum. iRobot has answered one of the biggest frustrations about robot vacuum cleaners with the new Roomba i7 Plus, offering automatic emptying so it can be left to its own devices for more of the time. Let's check it out. Design-wise, at first glance, the Roomba i7 Plus looks like every robot vacuum you've seen. But this new i7 has been reimagined inside and out. With an upgraded processor and redesigned cleaning head, and boasting dual multi-surface rubber brushes and powerlifting suction, promises 10 times the air power and twice the cleaning performance of Roomba's previous range topper. In addition, embedded cameras and sensors drive Roomba's latest smart mapping features, which allow the robot to learn the layout of each room on each floor of your home. Dual multi-surface rubber brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. Of course, the most exciting improvement is the self-emptying feature. No longer will you need to empty a tiny dustbin after every clean, as the Roomba i7 Plus takes care of it for you. At the end of a clean, the robot returns to its charging station, which is a new model with a large overhanging waste bin known as the Clean Base. The dust and debris are sucked out of the vacuum and neatly deposited in an enclosed bag, with sufficient capacity for up to 30 cleans. Moving on, while the i7 can clean an entire floor, there are times when you'll just want to give a single room a once-over. The good news is, with Imprint Maps, you can virtually cordon off and label areas for cleaning. For example, if you have an open concept style house or floor plan, you should be able to draw lines in the app to mark off and label an area like the kitchen. Then say, "Hey Alexa, clean the kitchen," and off the i7 Plus goes. We must mention the high-efficiency filter, which captures 99% of mold, pollen, dust mites, dog, and cat allergens. To conclude, while the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus has a lot of cool features, its ability to self-empty and accept voice commands to clean individual rooms might be game changers. And if you can afford it, it should be your go-to choice. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.